Why is my I-130 case taking longer than expected? This is the Somber channel. We share tips and how-to videos, motivational quotes and blogs. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell for upcoming videos and watch our video until the end so you won't miss any details. Ever wondered what it means when your USCIS case status says your case taking longer than you expected? Many people are anxious about this. As for me, I am the beneficiary, and in behalf of my husband, who is my petitioner, we did a DIY USCIS application or do it by yourself application. Without any help from a legal advice or lawyer, I just purely gathered a publicly available information and do my own research. Every time I check our USCIS account, it shows there 5 months, and then it turned out to your case is taking longer than you expected. I always ask myself, did I miss something or did I have error in uploading our documents? It was really a nerve-wracking experience. So today, I'm gonna discuss to you the top reasons why this is happening and some tips for you. Maybe you can use it for your case. Disclaimer: all the information in this video are based on my experience and publicly available information and does not constitute legal advice. I'm here to break down the top reasons, what is the meaning of this status, and how it impacts on your case. When your USCIS case status shows 10 to 14 months and it's changed to your case is taking longer than you expected, it means that your case is progressing through various stages of immigration process. However, it doesn't mean that the USCIS officer is reviewing your case at the moment. It's part of a series of steps your application goes through the USCIS. When I was waiting at my USCIS application, it took 10 months until I got approved at the USCIS stage. Within that period of waiting, I always check my USCIS account, and it was very frustrating because we don't know what's going on. And through my research, I found out why the USCIS takes longer to see or to review my application, and here's why. Reason number 1. Initial review. Your application first goes to a lockbox where a contractors will check all the required documents and fees are included. This is just an initial verification step. For example, our application goes to a lockbox or service center named Potomac. In that service center, it was 10 to 14 months until they will approve our I-130 application. Reason number 2. Visa availability. The second reason is your I-130 case might be delayed due to the visa availability. For example, if you fall into the family category like F1, F2, F2B, or F3, F4, you may not have an immediate visa for you. If you want to check of your priority dates on the visa category, you can check on the visa bulletin. Reasons number 3. Filing errors and missing evidence. It could be something minor like you forgot to sign the application, or you submit the wrong fee, or you didn't provide the important supporting documents. If USCIS requests for evidence or RFE, it will slow down your case until you submit the required documentation. The 3 documents that always cause delay are birth certificate, marriage certificate, and divorce decree. Tips for speeding up your I-130 case. Number 1. Expedite request. Like me, I filed K3 because they said it will help to speed up the application of my USCIS process. But I doubted it. But maybe to other people it helps, because my application was at the service center. They said it was 10 to 14 months, and I got approved November 2023, and my priority date was January 2023. USCIS considered expedited processing for specific reasons such as severe financial loss, emergency, or humanitarian reasons. But they clearly stated that you have to provide evidence relevant to your expedited request. The second tips is apply early and accurately. Start the process as soon as possible. Ensure that you filled out correctly your I-130 application and provide the necessary important supporting documents. Mistakes can cause delays. The third tips is submit a strong application the first time around. Quality matters. Double check your forms, provide the complete information, and include all the required evidence. Tips number 4. Contact your U.S. representative. Reach out to your local congressional representative. They can inquire your case with the USCIS and advocate timely processing. Tips number 5. Join a community or group that share information and knowledge about your USCIS application. Join a Facebook group that shares information and knowledge about the USCIS process timeline, and do some research about your visa application, especially if you do it by yourself or DIY application. Tips number 6. Stay updated with the USCIS tools. Use the case status update tool and create an account with the USCIS so you will receive an automatic email and updates with your case. You can also download the case tracker on your phone. You can receive updates and bulletins and news from the USCIS. Thank you for watching. I hope this video explained to you and helps you understand why the USCIS takes so long to review your case. And if you found out this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the Swanberg channel, and please click the notification bell for more upcoming videos. And if you have a comment or question, just comment down below, and see you in my next one. Thank you and God bless.